Have you ever wondered how great horned owls can navigate the night with such precision? Today, we're uncovering a hidden sixth sense that sets them apart from all other birds. Great horned owls are found in various habitats across North and South America. From dense forests to open fields, they adapt to diverse environments. Scientists have discovered that great horned owls possess a remarkable sixth sense, an advanced ability to perceive their environment through sound. This allows them to hunt and navigate effectively in low light conditions. This heightened auditory perception is attributed to the owl's asymmetrical ear placement, which helps them pinpoint sounds with incredible accuracy. This unique trait contributes significantly to their hunting success. Moreover, great horned owls have relatively large brains for their body size, which aids in processing complex sensory information. This cognitive advantage helps them survive and thrive across various terrains. However, human activities pose significant threats to great horned owls. Cars, power lines, and buildings are major causes of owl deaths due to collisions and disorientation. Understanding these unique sensory abilities underscores the importance of protecting great horned owls. Their survival is crucial for maintaining ecological balance in diverse habitats. This fascinating sixth sense makes great horned owls remarkable predators and survivors. What aspect of their abilities surprised you the most? Let us know in comments.